Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2020 Chevy Equinox Premier in jet black with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, shark fin antenna, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 13,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, dual temperature control, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, a 1.5 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 6356A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.